In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on App Lock, and if you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use App Lock. To do that, hit Settings in the pop-up. Tap on Use a different password type, pick one of the available ones and create it. Then repeat it to confirm it. Set up recovery email just in case you forgot it and hit confirm. And answer security question. If you don't like this one, tap on it and pick one of those or create your own. Then answer it correctly below and use this check mark at the top right corner. Then hit Got it, tap on gray switcher next to App Lock to enable it, and to lock any app, tap on gray switcher next to it. So when I go back and try to access one of the locked ones, I can see that privacy password is required. In order to get rid of App Lock from any app, go back to the same settings, enter privacy password and use blue switchers next to your apps. To disable App Lock completely, use the same blue switcher next to App Lock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!